Hello there, I am Mike Myers, and there Moosey once again, all his glory, and once again, you're back, and we're back. This is Modeling with Mike for another episode. As you all know, I've been away for about 2 or 3 weeks. I've been ill. There's been a major bug going around northern Indiana this winter, and I came down with it. If you remember the washes video that I made, Moosey and I just got back from his trip to the vet, and 2 days after that, I woke up and I was vomiting. I had cramps down both sides around my kidney area and my colon area, all cramped. I was constipated. I couldn't pee. I was so dehydrated. I coughed. Every time I coughed, it felt like there was a radio alarm saw dropping down right through the middle of my brain. And yeah, it wasn't good. And so I'm back now. Very excited to be back. And this video here is just going to tell you what happened, where I was, where the channel's going, and so on and so forth. So what happened? Well, as I said, Moosey's vet appointment was Friday the 7th of March. On the 9th, I woke up and all those problems I just stated to you were full blown, and I couldn't even sit without being in discomfort in my back and my sides, and it was nasty. Also had a fever, and this lasted for 3 weeks. Pretty much the rest of the month of March, I was down with it, and I'm just now. I'm in the middle of getting over it. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm walking around, and today I did some laundry and did some stuff that I should have been doing while I was sick, but so I'm getting around now. Basically, it was a challenge. We have these little emergency pull cords in our apartments here. This is a senior living facility. And I came probably within about 5 minutes of pulling those about 3 different times. And what those do is those get an ambulance here, send you to the hospital. I came very close 3 times to pulling that. So basically now I am recovering and I'm back. I'm excited to be back. I'm jazzed. You can say that I'm ready to go full bore. That brings us into the next point, the future of the channel, and basically full bore. I'm doing this today. This is the 1st of April. It's a Tuesday. And this is going to be out tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. And Friday we will not have a video. I am going to record the next video on Friday, which will be next Wednesday. And then it'll be twice a week after that, like it always has been. Upcoming content. Friday, I'm going to be taping the decal repair video that I've been wanting to do for the past 2 weeks. But we're going to do it. We're going to do it Friday, and that'll be up next Wednesday. And after that, we will have a video on DIY decal setting solutions, how to make it, how to use them, and all that. So that should be interesting. Now, I am pleased to introduce the live stream. It is going to be called Live Mic, and this will be a week from Thursday, 9th or 10th, somewhere around there. I will let you know on that. But it's going to be Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I want to be on for at least an hour. Okay? And I'll get a start on that Hiroshima. And I want to get into that and sort of elaborate on that. It's just going to be a static model of the cloud. Okay? I'm not going to have any big explosions and stuff. It's just going to be a static reenactment of the cloud, the mushroom cloud. So probably tonight and tomorrow and going forward, I'm going to be looking at YouTube and a lot of photos of that, getting some stuff down in my mind. I'm going to be constantly thinking of improvements and new ideas. I want to hear from you what you want me to discuss, to cover. And I haven't heard a thing from anybody as far as that's concerned. So help me out a bit, Put some suggestions in the comments. That being said, I want to personally thank all you subscribers and all you people who have viewed in and who are not subscribed yet. To all you, what are you waiting for? Hop aboard. It's a good ride. But I want to thank you all for your patience and support while I was sick. I know that I tried to do like 3 or 4 videos while I was sick. I thought I was getting better, and I didn't. I looked back at those videos, and really, it looked like I was just trying to get through them. And basically, I'm going to tell you the absolute truth. I just wanted to get through it. I just wanted to get through it and get back to resting and feeling like crap, But that's one thing I learned. Next time I get sick, I'm just going to shut it down till I'm feeling better. And there's nothing wrong with that. And I'd rather give you a good video than just going on camera and trying to get through it, you know. And hey, y'all told me what you thought about that with numbers, because the numbers for those videos that I did while I was sick were not good. So I want to thank you for that too, because you taught me something. So basically, if you have any budget-friendly modeling topics that interest you, that you want me to cover, and Moosey too, leave them in the comments, okay? I loved hearing from you guys, okay? You just let me know, because, okay, this 1 o'clock on Thursday, week from Thursday for the live stream, it can change if you guys want a different time, if a different time is better for you, okay? Because this is all I do right now, okay? This is all I do. So I can do this. I can do the live stream at any time. So you guys let me know what's good for you. And if you don't, we're sticking with Thursday at 1 p.m. And that's that. Okay, next video, as I said earlier, is going to be repairing torn decals. And there's a couple of ideas in there that you may maybe not have thought of. Again, the live stream, if you have a time that's good for you, put it in the comments. Okay, my channel is not far enough along yet for me to have access to the community tab, so I can't put on a poll or anything for you guys. So you just got to do it yourselves. Put it in the comments and let me know what time is good for you. And once again, I'm jazzed to be back. I'm going full speed ahead now. This whole thing is behind me, and hopefully I won't have to go through it again, because I don't wish it on my worst enemy. So that being said, you know what we always say around here: never stop pushing your modeling boundaries. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.